Hey everyone, Dana here.
And Stefan.
And today we're doing the German Snacks Challenge. So, Stefan and I went separately to the store and bought some German snacks, and now today we're gonna take turns being blindfolded and seeing if we can guess what German snack we're eating. I'm gonna open it for you.
Yeah, that would be great. I don't want to eat, the wrapper.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the whole thing in your hand.
Okay, this was easy because this has the distinct smell of chocolate with the wafer in it, and they advertise it as the longest praline of the world, and it's called Duplo.
You got it, good job. This was maybe an easy one.
Maybe. Next one, Dana.
You know what's funny? I put the blindfold on and I instinctively closed my eyes. I was like, wow, this blindfold is really good. I'm excited. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know if I'll know the actual name. Ooh, okay.
Ready?
Yep. Oh my gosh! Oh, that felt really weird. Ooh, okay, it's like soft on the bottom and sticky on the top. Mm-hmm. That's weird. Mm-hmm. It's different texture. I think this is something Haribo, but I don't know what.
Okay, you get a half point for that.
Okay, wait,
already.
let me keep thinking. I can picture it. It's like a more of a pastel color on the bottom and then a brighter see-through jelly on the top.
Yes.
It tasted like peach. Oh, it's the peach one! It's the peach Haribo!
Nah.
Okay, can I look?
Yes. So...
It's the frog!
It's a frog.
Why does the frog taste like peach?
I don't know. I think with the Goldbeeren and with the Lakritzschnecken, the frog is what I had in my childhood.
This is one, you can't smell it already, it's still shut. This is one that I had never really noticed or had before, seen at any parties or anything. Okay, ready? Mm-hmm. I'm putting it in.
Mm-hmm.
Did I stump you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
Are they coming in different shapes, or was that the only one there?
No.
They're always the same shape?
Yes. Here, you asked for another one. I might have gotten him.
I don't know. Okay.
I tricked him.
Next one for Dana.
I'm so curious.
Don't put it completely in your mouth.
Okay.
Bite something off of it, otherwise we will probably film for 30 minutes.
Okay. Oh gosh, I can't bite anything. I can't bite.
Okay.
I'm going to guess that is a Werther's caramel chew.
Almost.
Okay.
Almost. It's
Reason.
It's a reason.
Okay, but at least I got that it was caramel.
That's good. You get a half point again.
Half point? Okay, so.
It's 1-1, huh?
Yeah, but I had to cobble together my 1 point through 2 half points.
That's true.
Ooh, I don't know which one to pick.
You're doing really good, Dana.
Uh-huh.
But it is chewy, it is crispy on the outside, it has a distinct chocolate that I have only tasted in this one. I think in the last snack video people asked for it. Why did you not buy it? It's a pickup.
How did you get that? But which kind of pickup?
The original one. What? No.
You missed the caramel in the middle. Either a half a point or 3/4 of a point, I'm not sure. What do you think? As it being you.
I think I deserve a point.
Wait, a
Three
full
quar-
point? 3/4 of a point?
Three
Okay.
quarters of a point. So, another one for Donna.
Sounds like a box.
It is a box. You get...
Ding! It's a box.
You-
So far, we haven't gotten each other any of the same snacks. That's
no.
good.
So I had these in my childhood.
Are you eating one? Okay,
I'm not eating one.
Oh, what? Wait. Oh. Oh, what? What is that? At first, I thought maybe it was that kangaroo thing, because that's kind of poofy too, but this doesn't feel like a kangaroo. This doesn't feel like, I mean, no, that would be a really weird shaped kangaroo. Oh! Oh, that's not a chip. I can honestly say I have no idea. Can I get another one? That was good. I have no idea what it is. We're gonna get another one.
But with the kangaroo, you were pretty close. It is supposed to be an animal.
I have no idea what German cookie this is. I have no idea the name. Can I open? Because
Yes.
I really don't know. I don't know. I have never seen these. You got this at the normal grocery store? It's so good. So it's supposed to be a koala.
It's a koala.
Let
Look
me
at
see
it.
this
They have
koala.
they have different.
Oh,
paintings
it's
on it.
painted on.
Yeah.
Okay, now I see the koala. I think maybe I might stump you with this. Maybe not though. Maybe you're too good. Oh no!
I know you want to
already
trick
know
me.
it.
I know you want to trick me.
Ah.
I know. They are white and pink, I think. I think they're Schokolinsen.
Yes,
And-
you got it.
Yeah.
Schokolinsen. I didn't know that they were going to be mint. You can take the blindfold off now. I didn't know that they were going to be mint flavored until I opened it just now and I was like, oh, what's that smell? I need to redeem myself here. You're making it really tricky.
Sorry.
This sounds like chips. Oh, it smells like chips. Oh, does not feel like chips. I don't know what it's called, but I would say that it's paprika flavored like little French fry chips. But I don't know what they're called here.
I think you get the full point.
Okay.
You get the full point.
I don't know what they are. What are they actually called?
They're called Fritz
Oh,
sticks.
Fritz sticks.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they're
Ungarisch is paprika. I learned that actually paprika and Ungarisch are like the same flavor. I'll give myself half a point.
no, you get a full point.
I get a full point.
You get a
He
full point.
insists that I take a full point.
There are Haribo. There are Himbeeren. It's pink what I hold in my hand. With pink thingy boomies around it. But I don't know the exact name for it.
Okay, you got it. You got it. It's called berries. So you said Himbeeren, but there's also black.
Oh, there's black now. So can you
The
distinguish
texture
what's
is
in
really
there?
no. The texture is really throwing me off. Wait, I would say that it's that chocolate with the really smiling kid on the front with the
Yes.
really white
It's
teeth.
the same brand.
Okay, I would say that, except I taste more stuff in it. I taste like
So what do you taste now?
wafer.
What is a wafer
Wafer is a cookie.
made out of?
Wheat?
Okay. No.
I don't
Not
know.
even. You don't even get for the brand. You don't even get the half point
No.
there. It is Kinder Country. It is
Oh
the
yes,
Kinder
I've
brand.
seen this.
And it has like cerealien, cornflakes and stuff in the middle.
Okay, no, I didn't get that. But good job, hey, nice. Okay, so I don't remember, I didn't really keep track of the points, but I'm pretty sure that Stefan won, so congratulations. Your head is probably right at the top. Bend down, and then I can put a crown on it. Ding.
So I had lots of fun. You picked some great snacks. Most of them were from my childhood, and yeah, I enjoyed it really a lot.
Yeah, I had a really good time too. I'm glad to hear you enjoyed doing it. And so yeah, we really liked making this video. So I'm going to send this video to some other YouTubers that I like to watch in different places and see if maybe they would like to make a similar kind of snacks challenge video. And so if any of the people that I send this video to make such a video, I will put a link to it down in the description box below. So our question for you is, did you know these snacks that we tried today? And do you think that you would recognize your own favorite snack blindfolded? Please let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. We really hope that you enjoyed this video. And also a big thank you so much to our patrons on Patreon who help make these videos possible. Thank you very much for your support. If you would like to check out our Patreon page, you can find a link to it down in the description box below. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen. Hey everyone, Dana here.
And Stefan.
And today we're going to be doing the German Snacks Challenge. We were supposed to try to say that at the same time. That was the worst high five ever. Yeah.
Cool. That was extremely fun.
Yeah.